back here. Thick grass. Everglades, boy, Everglades. Swamp mode. Let's get started. That's a big gator. This gator's sitting a little bit too close, man. He is right there. He's right there. If I wasn't a Floridian boy, I'd be doing stuff in my pants right now. What's that? What's that? What's that? You getting it's deep water, so I feel a little bit safe. He's in the deep water and I'm on the shallow land, but I don't know. You know? I'm kind of scared right now. I'm a little scared right now. I'm getting a bite though. I got a fish though. I got a fish. So I'm not scared anymore. Oh, he has a nice one too. Oh, this is a nice fish right here. Oh man, this is a nice fish, dude. Get this guy away from the gator. This is a nice fish right here. Oh my god. Woo-wee! That's what you call a fish. That gator is getting closer and closer. That's a nice one. That's a nice one. Oh man, that is nice. That is nice. That is a nice peacock right there, boy. In the gator's face. In the gator's face. I'm still looking at you. Woo. Ultralight. Ultralight. That's a nice fish on the ultralight. Really pretty guy. Got him. Got him. ultralight peas. It's like number 10, I think. This is just a day in South Florida. Catch a bunch of fish. Tomorrow we'll be focusing more on artificial. I did throw the jerkbait a little bit, white X-Wrap. One of the small 4-inch jerkbait X-Wraps. But I didn't get any hits. I threw it for like 20 minutes, didn't get one hit. Okay, you got 8 again. You got 8 again. Heck yeah, man. Is that an Oscar? That's an Oscar. Big ol' Oscar. Alright, second species of the day. Alright, second species of the day. The Oscar cichlid. Just like that. Nice Oscar. Okay. This guy's fight, man. Peas, Oscars, Mayans, you know, exotics. On. Oh no. Oh man. See if he'll eat it right there. Alright, I'm getting out of here. Wrecked me some peas for the first day in South Florida. On this trip, I guess. Second time in South Florida this year. Pretty awesome. Well, South Florida meaning like Everglades, because I live in St. Pete, which is technically part of South Florida, but we ain't got peacocks. Always nice to get down here and just, oh my gosh, peas blowing up on my feet, dude. There's literally peacocks blowing up on my feet on like little minnows. Oh man. All right, let's get back to the car.